Hello, my angels. Subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update.
Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with a review and I'll be talking about the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer. Whew, long name, but I'll be reviewing this product right here, and as you guys already know, I have been using this for a while now and I have amazing things to talk about this product, so I just thought let me do a review on this product and you guys will surely enjoy this. So yeah, if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so whenever I'm uploading a new video you'll be notified, and don't forget to follow me on my social medias. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So as you guys already know, this is the most hyped product in the market. Like, everyone talk about this product, each and every bloggers and YouTubers rave about this product so much, and I just wanted to get my hands on this and I think it was really worth because I am obsessed with this. So even I wanted to share my views on this product, and as you guys already know, this is not a sponsored video. I shop all my makeup products from NYKAA.com. Even I've got this from NYKAA, and if you guys haven't watched my NYKAA haul, you can watch it after this video. Everything will be given in the description box and even on this eye, so you can check it out later on. So let's come back to the review. This concealer has got 5 shades in the range, and I'm going to tell you about the undertones and the shades names, so it's gonna be easy for you to pick and choose your shade. And even I'm going to put a shade card right here so you can choose your perfect shade. So there is total 5 shades, as I told you. There is light, medium, honey, neutralizer and fair. And now let's talk about the undertones. So there is different undertones for all the shades right here, as you can already see in this chart right here. So the first one is neutralizer, which has got yellow undertone to it. The second one is honey, which has got pink undertone in it. And then there is light, which is my shade, and this has got yellow undertone to it. And the next one is medium, which has got yellow undertone to it again. And then there is fair, which has got pink undertone to it, and this is for extreme fair people. So this is the shade card. I hope it's gonna be easy for you to pick and choose your right shade, because I have already talked about the undertones of these concealers, and I hope this will be helpful for you to choose. And even if you are doing a online shopping, you have to do little research, and if you are going to any Maybelline counter, you can go and directly get your hands on it, because there will be people who can help you out to pick your right shade. So now let's move on to the packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. So as you can see, there is a twister on the top. You have to just twist it for the products. The product will come on the sponge applicator and you can directly use it. You don't really need a brush or any other tools to apply this. You can just apply this with the sponge tip applicator, which is really good, and I think this is perfect for traveling because this doesn't really spill any of the product, which is a plus for this product. Now the formula is pretty thin, which is really good because it doesn't get into your fine lines, and even this is a very blendable product. It has got a very beautiful coverage as well. And even this is a very lightweight concealer. This doesn't make your face look heavy or cakey. It doesn't really cakes up on your skin. And you can set this concealer pretty easily. You don't really need to go with a loose powder always. You can just use it a compact powder, which is very lightweight and sheer, or even you can use a loose powder. You can just go and bake your face, whatever you prefer. You can surely go ahead with this concealer. So now I'm going to show you the demo, and you can just see how easily this blends into my skin, and this even highlights it really beautiful. It covers up all the blemishes. So yeah, now just see it yourself. So I'm going to show you one side of my face by concealing and highlighting, and you can make the difference between both these sides, how uplifted and highlighted my face looks at the end. So this is the usual areas I normally highlight and conceal, and now I'm going to blend this product as well with a beauty sponge. Even you can use a buffing brush to blend it all out. So this concealer covers up all the blemishes, dark circles or any marks from your face. It highlights your face perfectly, and you can obviously see the difference in both the sides of my face. So I'm almost done. I'll be finishing up with rest of my makeup and be back. So guys, that's all for this review. I hope it was helpful, and this product retails for $6.50 and even it contains 6.0 ml products in this, and this is how the applicator looks like, as you have already seen. And I feel this is a perfect travel friendly packaging. So if you are looking for a good concealer in the market, you can surely go and give it a try on this, because I'm sure you're not going to regret, because this is such a wonderful product and I'm sure you'll love it. Like, I already love it, and I think I am obsessed with this concealer. I'm gonna buy more and more of this. So if you want to know, I highly recommend this product, and I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you did, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. Check out all my social medias right there, and even on the description box to follow me, stalk me there and say a hi. I love talking to you guys, and there are so many of you are connected to me on Instagram. I feel really good. Thank you for all your DMs and messages. I really love reading them and talking to you guys. So yeah, that's all for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.